How to avoid probate in Arizona? That's what we're talking about today. Welcome to Probate in Arizona. Hey everyone, I'm Marvin, real estate broker and probate specialist with Night Owl Realty. I'm not an attorney, and this information isn't considered legal advice. If you need the services of an attorney, let me know, and I can put you in touch with some that I know. So why would you want to avoid probate in Arizona? Because probate can be costly, probate is time-consuming, and probate is also public. Personally, I would say the number one way to avoid probate is having a revocable living trust. With the trust, it allows your estate to avoid probate as long as you fund the trust by transferring your assets out of your name individually and into the trust. So when you pass away, your assets are in the name of the trust and not your name personally, and the assets in your trust will automatically transfer to the beneficiary or heirs you named in the trust without having to go through the probate process. Another way to avoid probate is to own property as joint tenancy with right of survivorship. This allows two or more joint owners to have an equal share in the property, so when one of the owners pass away, the owner's share in the property will automatically roll over to the other joint tenants. You could also hold property as community property with right of survivorship, which means the deceased spouse share will automatically pass to the surviving spouse. However, this is only available for married couples. You could also use a beneficiary deed to transfer property after you pass away to a beneficiary to avoid probate, as well as you could use a beneficiary designation on financial accounts like bank accounts, IRAs, 401s, and other brokerages accounts, as well as life insurance policies. So in the event that you pass away, these assets can be passed directly to your beneficiaries without having to go through the probate process. You could also avoid probate if you have what Arizona considers to be a small estate. That's estates that are worth less than $75,000 in personal property and less than $100,000 in real estate. Then your beneficiaries can file a small affidavit with the court to receive your assets without going through the probate process as well. And as always, the best way to protect yourself and your family is to have the proper estate plan set up to avoid probate in Arizona. And if you have questions about probate, reach out to me. I'm Marvin with probateinarizona.com.